critical mining hardware manufacturer to launch second U.S. factory. The world's largest semiconductor manufacturer and third largest chip manufacturer. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Co., or TSMC, has announced plans to build a $12 factory in Arizona. The move comes after TSMC suffered significant disruptions across its supply chain amid the coronavirus outbreak in China. With Bitmain relying on TSMC for its next-generation chips and wafers, disruptions to TSMC specifically have been cited among the reasons for delays in shipping for its new Antminer S19 ASICs. TSMC to open Arizona factory. The factory's construction is slated to commence next year, with TSMC hoping the facility will begin producing 5nm transistors in 2024. Roughly 1,600 jobs are expected to be created through the factory's creation, with TSMC expecting to invest $12 billion into the facility between 2021 and 2029. TSMC currently operates a factory in Washington and design centers in California and Texas. Trump administration frames factory as security victory. TSMC's decision to launch the Arizona facility has been welcomed by the Trump administration, described the United States' reliance on Asian semiconductor and chip manufacturers as a national security risk for several years. U.S. Secretary of State Mike Pompeo applauded the news, tweeting, "The U.S. welcomes TSMC's intention to invest $12 billion in the most advanced 5nm semiconductor fabrication foundry in the world. This deal bolsters U.S. national security at a time when China is trying to dominate cutting-edge tech and control critical industries," Pompeo added.